The owners of this country home in Goshen, Indiana, made a big statement with their pool deck and walkway. Built with county materials, concrete pavers, and landscape units in a monochromatic palette, this backyard oasis includes a stunning pool deck, an intimate fire feature, and a winding concrete paver walkway between the pool deck and driveway. For the pool deck, the homeowners selected Grand XL Discover pavers in Vision with Sentinel sealed technology. The clean lines of these large format concrete pavers add understated elegance. A two-layer border made from two sizes of Elements pavers in contrasting colors completes the design. Concrete pavers manufactured with Sentinel sealed technology provide maximum protection from stains, UV rays, and de-icing salts, and require minimal maintenance to preserve their beautiful appearance.